In this video, I will guide you how to choose number of time frame based on your trading style. We have the three main trading style is scalping, swing, and investing. First of all, scalping. It means that you normally trading like the day traders using from the 1 hour time frame to the 15 minutes time frame to have the profits, analyze entry and stop loss, and also judges your trading results by day. And for the swing, at this time you are the weekly traders, also the monthly traders. It means that you only care about the results by week or by month. And you are normally trading with the 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, or even is a 4 hours time frame. That is the hours time frame you normally use, because if you are trading in the 15 minutes time frame, the signal appear on the markets normally need to have from the 1 to 2 days, and the 1 hours is might be 1 week or the half a week to have the one signals. Therefore, at this time you need to weekly or the monthly to judge your trading results, because the signal appear quite late compared with the scalping. And the next one is investing. Investing at this time you normally use time frame higher than the daily time frame. And at this time, you judge your trading results or investing results half of years and by years. And that is basic about three trading style in the market. And at this time, how to choose number of time frame based on these trading styles. You need to care one more thing. Before you wanted to choose number of time frame, you need to choose the correct trading style suitable for your personalities. It means that how can you control your emotion while you are trading. To select the trading style for scalping style, normally suitable for the calm persons. The person have no emotion while they see the fluctuation in smaller time frame in the market. And for the swing style, this time is suitable for the mid-tempers and the hot tempers. And for the investing, normally very suitable for the hot tempers, because the kind of person cannot see the fluctuation in the market every time and many times during the day or during the week. Because when they see fluctuation of the price, it means that they can come into the uncontrolled emotion and will come into the wrong decision in the markets and lose money. Therefore, they need to use very high time frame to avoid overtrade and over emotion in the market. Therefore, choose the correctly trading style and investing style. Very important before you are apply multiple time frame or even other technical analysis strategies. And at this time, after you already choose the correctly trading style, the number of time frame at this time will based on your trading style. For example, for scalping, I already talked to you before, you can use from the 1 minute to the 15 minutes time frame. Normally is 5 minutes and the 15 minutes time frame. And for the scalping, normally you only need to choose is a one time frame, because scalping, it means that you trade in smaller time frame and fluctuation of the market or speed of the market very high. Therefore, you need to care about the only one time frame, and normally is 5 minutes or the 15 minutes time frame. And the next one is swing style. And at this time, if you are trading with this style, you need to use from 2 to 3 time frame, and normally will be 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour and 4 hours. One more setup is 1 hour, 4 hour and daily time frame, because at this time you need to understand fully about the big picture of the market, main structure of the market, and the best play to entry and stop loss. I will also explain these strategies, key level strategies, and smart money concept very detailed using multiple time frame. If you are kind of simple person, you can refer it. And the next one is the investing. For the investing, you are trading on the high time frame. Therefore, at this time, you have a lot of times to analyze in the markets. Therefore, at this time, you can combine more time frame in the markets, normally from the 3 to 4 time frame, to understand more about the big picture markets, to the smallest fluctuation, to find out the best play to invest in the markets. You can buy at the discount price and sell on the very high price to have really nice profits. And normally you can use either 4 hours daily time frame and weekly time frames, or you also can combine its daily, weekly and monthly time frame. And here also is time frame almost the investor use in the markets for the long term. And for me, I recommend to you, if you are new traders, you need to use the swing style because this style is suitable for almost the traders, even the new traders, advanced traders, or the very high levels in the finance markets. And you can combine and use from 2 to 3 time frames together. I will guide you detail in this course. And if you already have the more experience in the markets, you can use and scalping like scalping traders. And that's also all about the lesson today. Thank you.